What's going on, guys? I'm super pumped to take you through today's video. Today, I'm gonna be taking you through the Stealth Cold Plunge. I'm gonna be showing you the features, the benefits, the size, the setup, everything you need to know about this cold plunge. Most importantly, I'm gonna show you what separates this plunge from the rest. Let's get right into it. It comes in two models. It's gonna come in a standard and it's gonna come in an XL. First, I'm gonna talk about the standard. The standard cold plunge is perfect for users up to 6'9". It's 50 inches in length, it's 32.5 in width, and it's 31.5 in height. That is going to give you a super deep plunge. You can do upright plunging, you can do full submersions, whatever kind of floats your boat, you can handle inside of that plunge. But if you are looking for a little bit more, or this is in a commercial setting, or you wanna have two people in the plunge at once, you can opt in for the XL. The XL is practically the same, it's just a little bit bigger. The XL has a 55-inch frame, 32.5 in width, 31.5 in height. The best part about this plunge is it doesn't take up a lot of space. You can actually push this cold plunge directly into the corner or up against the wall, as there's no clearance requirements. That's definitely an added bonus for the plunge. And then the next thing is gonna be door frames. If you are in an interior space and you wanna put this down, let's say in your basement, your gym, etc., it is designed to fit through any standard door frame. So keep that in mind as you're shopping for your cold plunges. And the last thing I'm gonna touch on is just that height of that plunge. At 31.5, you can really get deep plunges and you can have like an upright sitting stance in order to really achieve what you're going for in that plunge. Unlike others that come in around 26 to 27 in depth that make you feel like you're in a bathtub, we don't want that. Next, we're gonna talk about the design. This thing is beautiful. It's sleek. It's modern, it's sexy, but most importantly, we're gonna talk about three key features. One is the ergonomic seating. This allows you to sit at a slight angle when you're plunging in an upright position. So you're not standing vertical with your back up against the plunge. It's at a slight angle to make you feel more relaxed. It really helps in cold temps when you're trying to breathe, inhale, and exhale. Next, we're gonna talk about the finishes. It comes in a wood trim, and that is actually 100% cedar. It is handmade, and it is already treated and sealed, so you don't have to worry about weather. So next thing we're gonna talk about is the LED lighting feature on this thing. It is beautiful. It really will elevate any interior space, but if you are plunging outside and you're plunging early morning, late night, this light is designed to illuminate the floor, so when you go to get into the plunge, you can easily see what you're doing. That is definitely an added bonus and one of my personal favorite features about the product. Next, we're gonna talk about durability. This thing is an absolute tank, you guys. If you're looking for a product that you can have for a long time, this is the one. It is 316 stainless interior, exterior, and then it's wrapped in gunmetal. So you can put this thing indoors, you can leave it outdoors, it can take temps in the sun, the rain, the snow, whatever you can throw at this thing, trust me when I tell you this, it can handle it. Next, let's talk about insulation. This plunge is insulated with 3 inches of PU foam. So what that means is it's gonna hold your water temp extremely well. So if you're in a hot climate, you're out in Palm Springs and the temps are 115 degrees, guess what? Your chiller is gonna have to work a lot less because of the insulation that comes with the product. It's gonna help regulate that core temperature and hold it there for a longer period of time. Guys, trust me on this, you will want it in cold climates and you will want it in hot climates. It also comes with an all-weather hardtop UV resistant cover. So that comes complimentary with the purchase. That thing protects it, and it comes with locking systems to make sure you can lock it down. So if you have high winds, etc., nothing's ever gonna happen to that product. Next, let's talk about what separates this product from everything else, the chiller. It is the most powerful and thinnest chiller on the market, and it is powered by UVC. What's UVC? UVC is ultraviolet light. So that water is running through an ultraviolet light. It's killing 99.9% of bacteria. And then you have a 20 micron filter on the side that's catching any hair, dirt, dust, etc. Guys, what this means, no chemicals needed. That's right, no chlorine, no bromine, etc. All you need to do is plug this system in. It is self-cleaning. Biggest game changer for cold plunging, is an absolute beast. Next, we're gonna talk about indoor-outdoor. The chiller is built for outdoors, and it can also be stored indoors. That means you can leave it out in the rain, the snow, whatever you wanna do, and it can operate up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So that means freezing temps, people. That thing you can leave out there all year round, and it's gonna make sure every time you come out, you have a beautiful, clean, crisp plunge. Temp rating. We can either go from 37 degrees Fahrenheit all the way down and chill that thing down, or we can heat it up to 107 degrees Fahrenheit. It will chill or heat either direction at 12 to 15 degrees per hour. And the last thing I'm gonna touch on this is the noise rating. It runs at a 35 dB noise rating. It is quiet. It's not like one of those old school HVAC systems that heats up your entire room when you put it in. This system doesn't do that. It's pushing 300 gallons per hour through that system. And again, it's running at a very low dB rating. So if you're storing this indoors, definitely a pro. Let's talk about setup. No plumbing required, and it uses a standard 120 volt. This is a plug and play system. So if you have a standard 120 volt, you can plug that thing directly in, fill it up with water, turn it on, and you are ready to go. The best part, it only pulls 5.5 amps. So it's not drawing a ton of electricity. It costs you less than $1 a day to run. It comes with a fully integrated app. This app is gonna allow you to schedule it, turn it on and off. Everything you need to operate your system with is gonna be by your mobile phone, guys. So it's been an absolute game changer for me, definitely having that UVC chiller and being able to use that with the cold plunge. If you are building a gym, if you are building your home and you don't want that chiller setting next to the unit, you can run that chiller up to 20 feet away. It comes with a standard 8-foot long hose, but if you want to run that into your HVAC room, your pool equipment area, you can put on longer hoses and run it to any area that you want. In commercial settings, what this means for you is no downtime. If something breaks, your whole plunge doesn't break. It's just your chiller. And we have support throughout the entire US in California, Utah, Jersey, all the way across. So not to worry there. Overall, guys, this plunge is an absolute beast. It's designed for performance, but also durability. This product comes in at a very high rating. It's fully insulated. It's all stainless steel. It's been an absolute game changer. And the most frequently asked question that we see over at Lit is, can it handle the climate? This product has been tested in outdoor elements, in the heat, as well as the cold and the snow. Trust me, this product is built to last. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We're happy to answer them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.